Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with a little small tiny haul from Michaels and from Ollies. So I went into Michaels and didn't see anything. Didn't have any tape. That's what I went in there for. And they had the 80% off out, which, you know, they've had these keys 80% off before. So they were 20 cents for this pack of keys. Now I always thought these would be great for some dangles, so I got those. And while I was looking in the section over there, it wasn't much. They had a whole bunch of washi tape, and they had a whole bunch of the Kelly Creates, the 3-ring binders, the calendars, the traveler's notebooks, all that kind of stuff. So they were 80% off. So I still scan my stuff, even though it says that, because I never trusted. So I scanned these, you know, the dollar, which I know it would have been 20 cents, but I said let me still scan it because my Michael sometimes messes up on putting stuff over there. So everything scanned 80% off that they had over there, except for this and this. So they had maybe like 12 of these over there, and these were coming up $19.99 or $14.99, something like that. I think it was $19.99. What was the price? You know, I think because I paid $2 and some change, I think, for it. So I went on and got it. Wouldn't have got it, but when I went to the lady, I said, well, you know what, I scanned this. This is $14.99, and it is not coming up the 80% off, and this is Craft Smart, and this is, I thought it was cute. It has the coffee please, hello, gorgeous. There's little coffee cups right there in the gold. So I thought it was cute, and I was thinking this is for somebody. So, and I happened to ask the manager, who happened to be there, and so she rang up. She said, oh my gosh, all these washi tapes are not on sale. So she realized they were in the wrong place, and these were in the wrong place. So she thought, I would let you get one and let you get one, and she started throwing everything in the cart to move the rest. So I went on and got it. I wasn't going to necessarily get it, but since she told me I can get it for 80% off, and this one I definitely wanted to get that, so that was 80% off. So I think it was $3. That's what I paid for it, for this 10-pack. So that was it for Michael. So you just have to double check because they put stuff in the wrong spot. But what I did want to show you was I went to Ollie's, and this was Colorbox, which you typically see Colorbox in Walmart, and their price is $1.99. And Ollie's is just like a Big Lots, which is kind of like a Gates, or kind of even like a lower price Tuesday morning, because you know they buy out stuff. But it's definitely not high quality. But they have a lot of good books. You can get some good books in there, and craft stuff, and you can get some frames and stuff, and some house supplies. You'd be surprised. It's not the best decorum of the store, but they do have some good stuff when they have it. Now, paper is feast or famine when they have it. They have DCWV. They have Mombi. They typically have DCWV for $2.99 and Mombi for $3.99. I haven't seen any in probably about 8 months. So it's usually once a year they get in a ton of paper. I mean, a ton. And if you have an Ollie's card, you can get 15% off, because I used to get them for $2.69. I mean, you can't beat that. But anyway, the Colorbox is usually always $1.99, and this is just a gingham. And these are 6x6 pads too. But really, what I wanted, what I wanted was this. You know how it is to find. As you go into Tuesday morning and get, even Walmart sells this brand, the Nina metallic papers, but you're gonna pay so much more. So like in Tuesday morning, if you want some metallic paper, you probably get 10 sheets for $1.99. So this is a 100-pack, and this is the Nina, and this is metallic, and this is white gold metallic, 100 pages. Okay, $4.99. You can't beat that. That's, I don't know if you can see that sheen, but that is nice if you're doing some wedding, anniversary, just want to cut a beautiful die out of that. $4.99, as well as the white silver. And again, I told you in my other video, I was doing a mini album for my coworker, my ex-coworker, my friend. She wants me to do it for one of her staff. And so again, you can print on this, you can cut it out, because they're using inkjet laser copier. And this is 100 pieces, and this is 65 pound, and this is only $4.99, and it's 65 pound weight. This Nina one is only 30. No, it's 65. I'm sorry. I was going to say, okay. Both sides metallic finish. So both of them $4.99. I was hoping to have some other colors. Again, it's Feast or Famine. But for 100 sheets for $4.99, I mean, at Michaels, I mean, at Tuesday morning, I can get only a 10-pack for $1.99 or $2.99 for 25-pack. So, and that's a discounted rate. But the full price, like if you went to Michaels or Joann's to get this, you know, you spend some money. So anyway, does it have the comparative price? Yep, $19.99. So, yeah. So if you're looking for anything like that, instead of paying $20, $4.99, and if you got a 15% off discount card, like I do at Ollies, yay, cheaper. So I'm just saying, if you have an Ollies, check it out. See, and they also have some Rolodex cards, but it's the wood brown one, like I had. Like, oh, if I can reach it, like there's a Rolodex like this shape. They were, I think, $6.99. That's where I got that one from. But anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. That's my little teeny haul. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.